Are you tired of dealing with those frustrating menopause symptoms every single day? You're definitely not alone. Many women feel like they're on an emotional roller coaster and just don't know how to find relief. In this video, we'll explore effective natural remedies to reduce menopause symptoms daily, empowering you to take control of this phase of life. Menopause is a natural part of life, but that doesn't mean you have to suffer through it. There are many ways to manage symptoms and improve your overall well-being. By making a few simple changes to your daily routine, you can start to feel better and regain control over your body. Menopause symptoms can be debilitating, affecting every aspect of daily life. Hot flashes, mood swings, and sleep disturbances are just a few of the common symptoms women experience during this time. These symptoms can be overwhelming, making it difficult to concentrate at work, enjoy time with loved ones, or even get a good night's sleep. The impact on daily life is significant, and it's essential to find ways to manage these symptoms. Many women feel like they're losing themselves in the process, struggling to cope with the emotional and physical changes. Menopause symptoms can really vary in both severity and frequency, but, they often disrupt our daily routines. Hot flashes can be particularly bothersome, causing these sudden feelings of heat and sweating. And mood swings can be just as challenging, leading to irritability and anxiety. Sleep disturbances can interfere with your overall health, making it difficult to get the restful sleep you need to feel truly rejuvenated. These symptoms can be relentless, making it hard to find relief. The good news is that there are actually many natural remedies that can help alleviate menopause symptoms. By understanding the common symptoms and their impact on daily life, women can start to explore alternative solutions. So, this knowledge is power, allowing women to really take control of their health and well-being. Menopause is not something to be feared or dreaded. It's a natural transition that can be managed with the right tools and support. Common symptoms of menopause include things like hot flashes, night sweats, mood swings, and vaginal dryness. These symptoms can be distressing, but the good news is they can also be managed with natural remedies. Hot flashes, for example, can be alleviated with herbal supplements like black cohosh and red clover. Mood swings can be eased with omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D. And sleep disturbances can be improved with relaxation techniques like deep breathing and meditation. So, the key to managing menopause symptoms is really to find what works best for each individual. Every woman's experience is unique, and honestly, what works for one person may not work for another. It's essential to experiment with different remedies and techniques to find the right combination that fits you. This might mean trying out various herbal supplements, making some dietary changes, and, adjusting your lifestyle a bit. Menopause symptoms can also be affected by lifestyle factors like diet and exercise. A healthy diet that's rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can really help alleviate symptoms. And regular exercise, such as walking or even yoga, can also improve your overall health and well-being. Stress management techniques like meditation and deep breathing can really help reduce anxiety and irritability during menopause. In addition to diet and exercise, other lifestyle factors can play a role in managing menopause symptoms. Getting enough sleep, for example, is just so crucial for overall health and well-being. Try to aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to help regulate hormones and reduce symptoms. Avoiding triggers like caffeine and alcohol can also help alleviate hot flashes and mood swings. Dietary changes can also have a significant impact on menopause symptoms. Eating foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon and flax seeds can really help reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms. And increasing your calcium intake through dairy products or supplements can support bone health, which is super important during this time. Avoiding sugary and processed foods can also help regulate blood sugar and insulin levels. It's a simple change, but it can make a big difference. Herbal supplements can be a powerful tool in managing menopause symptoms. Black cohosh, for example, has been shown to reduce hot flashes and night sweats. Red clover can help alleviate mood swings and anxiety, which is something many of us experience. Dongquai can support hormone balance and reduce symptoms. It has actually been used in traditional Chinese medicine for thousands of years to address menstrual and menopausal issues, as well as other conditions. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplements. Lifestyle adjustments can also play a significant role in managing menopause symptoms. Practicing relaxation techniques like meditation and deep breathing can help reduce stress and anxiety. Engaging in regular exercise, such as walking or yoga, can improve overall health and well-being. Getting enough sleep and maintaining a healthy weight can also help alleviate symptoms. So, a personal success story that really showcases the effectiveness of these remedies is that of a woman who was able to reduce her hot flashes by about 80% through a combination of dietary changes and herbal supplements. She started taking omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D, and also increased her intake of fruits and vegetables. She also practiced deep breathing exercises and meditation to help reduce stress and anxiety. This woman's experience is not unique, and honestly, many women have found relief from menopause symptoms through natural remedies. By making just a few simple changes to their daily routine, women can really start to feel better and regain control over their bodies. It's essential to remember that every woman's experience is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. The natural remedies discussed in this video have the potential to transform menopause experiences. By understanding the common symptoms and their impact on daily life, women can start to explore alternative solutions. Herbal supplements, dietary changes, and lifestyle adjustments can all play a role in managing menopause symptoms. In conclusion, menopause symptoms can be managed with natural remedies. By making a few simple changes to daily routines, women can start to feel better and regain control over their bodies. It's essential to remember that every woman's experience is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. So, just to recap, the natural remedies we've talked about in this video include herbal supplements like black cohosh and red clover, dietary changes such as increasing your intake of omega-3 fatty acids and calcium, and of course, making some lifestyle adjustments like practicing relaxation techniques and getting regular exercise. These remedies, can really help ease hot flashes, mood swings, and those pesky sleep disturbances, while also improving your overall health and well-being. The potential benefits of these remedies are actually pretty significant, and women should definitely consider exploring these options. By taking charge of their health and well-being, women can start to feel better and honestly regain control over their bodies. Menopause is just a natural part of life, but it doesn't have to be debilitating. If you're struggling with menopause symptoms, we encourage you to share your experiences in the comments below. And hey, check out our other videos for more health tips. Please subscribe to our channel, and thanks so much for watching.